Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making So guys, I don't know if you have ever seen this growing wild in your garden. This is a type of herb actually. Now it grows wild. It's called Peperomia Pellucida. Another name for it is pepper elder or shining bush. This is an edible herb. Like I said, I didn't plant it. So sometimes in your yard, in your garden, you might see this growing. It can be eaten both raw and cooked. It is said to have a sort of mustard type taste to it. And in many parts of the world, they would use this in their culinary dishes. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to pick a piece and we're going to make it with some egg. Okay, we're going to do a scramble. We're going to do a Peperomia Pellucida scramble egg. All right, so again, I'm just alerting you to the fact that there are things in your garden that might be growing wild and you may not be aware that it is edible. This is something similar to purslane. Purslane grows wild, but it is edible. Okay, so this is Peperomia Pellucida. So we're going to take this piece here and we are going to add it to our egg, and we're going to make a scrambled egg with this. So let's head back inside. All right, so we're going to make our Peperomia Pellucida scrambled egg. I'm just making one. So I have my egg here. We're going to put it into our bowl. Okay. To that, let me just rinse out my hand. Right, so we have our Peperomia Pellucida herb here, or shining bush. So let's, oh, where's my knife? I have to get a knife. So I'm gonna cut this up to add it to the egg. I do have some cilantro here, so I'll also add some of the cilantro to it as well. I'm going to add some onion to it as well. And I have some garlic here, pureed. So I'm going to add a little bit of the garlic to it as well. Let's add a little bit of Celtic sea salt. You know what? I think I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper to this as well. Cayenne pepper is very good for your heart. All right, let me get some cayenne pepper. This is our Peperomia Pellucida scrambled egg. All right, so to our pot here, we're going to add a little bit of I'm going to be using coconut oil.